I got from Bali. It's just like a shirt. This top is from Hollister. It's like a plain black tank top. This is from Only, and these jeans are from Zara. Hey guys, so it's the next morning and I just got ready. I did my makeup and my hair. This is my outfit. I don't think you can see it, but this shirt is from Princess Polly. This is from Uniqlo. We just got ready and today we're gonna take a tour of Zurich and I'm gonna take you along with me. This is the table we chose to have breakfast at. It's so cozy. It looks so good. And this is the breakfast area. So that table was just for dinner. So we just came here. This is my mom and my sister. Say hi. Hi. So this is the area. And we're just walking to the city center in Zurich. And it's so pretty. And the sky also is so nice. I'm so happy. The weather is so much better. Look at the train. That's my mom. That's my sister. She's also vlogging. You wanna come in my vlog? Oh, sorry. You and I are vlogging. See, my sister also. We're going to the city bus center. Yes. I just wore a coat and this is my bag from Victoria's Secret. And we just put everything inside so that we have like power banks and like food if you want. Mom's also taking photos. It's just so good. Wow. We're taking photos. This is the view. It is amazing. Oh my god. Just look at everything. There's boats. We might go on a boat ride. We just walked. It was so good. So worth it. My mom's asking for souvenirs. We came to a small souvenir store. Look at all this. It's so pretty. Just look at this. I want one. Yeah. Amazing. We're going to change our currency because they were like, you can't use euros here. So we're gonna take Swiss franc or something and we're gonna take a tram to go to the main station. And that's gonna help us change our currency. Whoops. Came in a train. There's shopping downstairs. So pretty. What is that? I don't know where we are. We went to Sephora and now we also like took some souvenirs. We are going out now because we want to eat pizza, so I'm gonna roam around. But because it's a Sunday, everything is closed. And that's very sad, but we're gonna find something. Restaurant, and we're going up because the Lynch store is upstairs, and then we can go up like more. Boat ride is the pesto pasta and going on a cruise. One or both tried, so we're gonna explore. Got Starbucks. I got a matcha latte with vanilla, and now we're just gonna roam around. We're riding scooters now, and mine's going so fast, and my sister's is going very, very slow. So that's funny. So we did a lot of things for 4 hours and then we got very tired, so we just came back to our room, and now I just changed my clothes and I wore this, and we're going for dinner. And since we're very tired and we know that we're gonna get like less vegetarian options everywhere, we're just going to an Indian restaurant and then eating there, and I'll take you with me. So this sweater shirt is from Bershka. These are the pants I was wearing in the day, and yeah, let's go. Good morning, guys. So it's the next day and I'm getting ready now. I'm gonna do my makeup, and I just washed my hair yesterday, and this is what it looks like naturally because I just got it cut, so I didn't know what it would look like, but it looks good, I think. I tried straightening it a little bit from here, but it didn't work because the straightener wasn't that good. But I'm gonna do my makeup now, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. And yeah, so today we're going to Jungfrau, no, not Jungfrau Martin, sorry, we're going to Grindelwald, and we have an apartment there, so we're gonna stay there, and then we're gonna go to Interlaken, which is beneath that area, and we're gonna stay in that apartment for like 4 days. That's gonna be fun. And that's like a mountain, so the view is gonna be amazing. I'm gonna use the YSL Super Stay Foundation, 24-hour Super Stay Foundation. And yeah, yesterday we just had one day in Zurich, and unfortunately it was a Sunday, so everything was closed, and we did not know that before we came here, so we couldn't really like shop. I really wanted to go to like stores because Zurich is a city, especially in Switzerland, because not everything is like a mountain, so they don't really have all the stores that I'm looking for. But Zurich is a city, and I wanted to shop a little bit here from here before going somewhere else, but it's fine. But we looked at the entire place. We took a tram everywhere, and the tram is free and it's connected by like 2 wires. It's really, really pretty, and I think you saw that in the vlog. But it's amazing how things work here. It's so convenient to go from places to places. We don't really have to book an Uber because there's train stations everywhere. And I guess I have never like experienced the mountain life, so I want to experience that as well. This is the first time I'm using this foundation, but it's amazing. I like it. It smells good too. I don't know why. I've never ever smelled a foundation, but this one smells really So I think this is gonna be the end of this vlog, and I'm gonna show everything else in another vlog. So I'm gonna vlog every day and you're gonna see every single thing in different vlogs. So the Grinnell wall in Interlaken you can see in the next vlog, and I can link it down below. Yeah, thank you for watching, and please like, comment, share, subscribe.